In a noteworthy development, Meghalaya, renowned for its rich flora and fauna, is poised to become the avian hub of the Northeast. A recent exploration by avid birders Gaurav Kataria, Arpit Deomurari, and Steve unveiled the discovery of almost 120 bird species in just 2 days, including two unique ones exclusive to the East Khasi Hills. Addressing the media on Tuesday, the bird enthusiasts emphasized the untapped potential for Avi-Tourism in Meghalaya. They urged the state government to strategically invest in infrastructure and bird watching trails. Kataria, during the briefing, highlighted the financial promise of bird tourism, suggesting that the state could potentially earn as much from a 10-member bird watching trip as it does from 100 conventional tourists.
Right. Means we can't have industries here. Industries are polluting. Here we have a big bird industry. Steve would know better, but in the US, birding is a $1 billion industry. You can't, like Colombia, it's again huge. And India, it's right now in India, it's the fastest growing hobby. And Indians are spending so much money in buying equipments and stuff like the cameras we are getting is like almost 10 lakh rupees and stuff, and Canon and Nikon say that they have sold like some of like maximum cameras in India. So you can imagine the kind of investment people are doing for bird watching. And if they have bought that camera, they have to use it, right? So they have to go somewhere in the field. So why not Meghalaya get ready for it? Arunachal has already done it, Nagaland is doing it, and Meghalaya has got the star species. Everybody has to come here. Sooner or later they have to come.
It's really interesting as well. I brought out groups from the US out to India specifically for bird. I've got four trips this year. And one of the classic places in the northeast that everyone's heard about is Arunachal Pradesh, Eagle Nest Preserve. It's world famous. And it became famous because of one bird, the chica.
So these are bird watching tours are expensive, so the state gets a lot of money out of it. So imagine hosting 100 normal tourists, and if like a group of 10 bird watchers come, the revenue is all the same.